Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to share with you today these cute little lipstick and nail polish boxes that I created. I think they're just super cute. I found the tutorial by a woman that her name is Amanda, and her YouTube is scrimpandmummy.com. She's from the UK, and she has a really good tutorial on her channel, and I just thought these were the cutest thing. So I made a few myself, and that you make them just from a 6x6 piece of paper. So you know, you can use the 6x6 little paper pads that you get, and it's fairly, you know, easy to follow tutorial. You use your little well, I used my punch to make the hole in the center here, just for a little thumb hole. And then once you get the boxes together, you just embellish them however you like. And for mine, I just did a little layered embellishment here with a little flower. Used some little stickle on top of there to give a little sparkle, a little bit of bling there. Here's another one I did. I like this with the stripes, the gold, the pink, and the mint. And they're really cute. Just opens like this, and I'll show you how the lipstick goes in really easy. So here's a lipstick, and put that in, and just close that up. Doesn't that make a nice little gift for somebody, for a friend or your sister or your mom or something? Really cute. And I did this one in pink again, and it says yay on there, a little bow that I added and some bling. It opens up, and it fits a nail polish really well, so you stick that in there. I could see young girls sure liking these as well, so they'd make great gifts, you know, for birthdays or Christmas time. You could do it in Christmas papers, and I could see these being great stocking stuffers. I did another one here with the lemon print, a little more cash, and yeah, I thought they were really cute. So I'll leave a link to Amanda's channel, and so that you can go and see the tutorial, and I hope you have fun making them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.